Hey, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, it's Maureen. My name is Maureen. It's the YouTube babe. Yeah, drum rolls. Remember, we are in a series whereby you guys requested me to do this version of this bandana tutorial. So make sure that you watch the rest of the videos and subscribe so that you do not miss out on any. And also, I really appreciate it if you like this video. So in our today's tutorial, we're going to be styling a bandana on your head like a gangster. The other time we have done other tutorials whereby we place it on these parts of our face, but today I wanted to show you on our head, and there are two ways in which you can do that. But because we want this video to be short, we're going to do the first way. So to learn the other way, subscribe to the channel. With your bandana like this, just rotate it, and then from the top, make it drop and fold it until you get something like this. From the top like this, you let them touch like that, and then after touching like that, what you do is just make your first fold. It doesn't matter even if you're doing it on a flat surface, it's okay, it's the same process. And then do the second fold, but you can always do one fold. Let me do that again. But now making sure you see these sides should not be seen. So you do it, this inner side should not be seen because we want it to be like right here. So you do it from this other side just like that. You just make your folds, the first one and the second one, to have something like that. You see? You have something of the sort. If you want this thing to be really small, you can continue doing the folds, but this is the best size. Or if you want it to be like longer, this thing, you don't do two folds, you just do one fold. Or you can decide to do like one big fold. It's all upon you on how you feel it's going to look amazing on you. So let me just do my two small folds right here. The first one and the second one, and there you go. That is the shape that we are having. After that, let's then place it on your head. You'll just place it on one side like that, and then you see the way it's from the back, and then you make your knot right there. Don't make it too tight, but make it tight enough, but not too tight. And then push it, make sure it's on the side like that, and you're done. Yeah, and you're done. You can actually just decide to fold it in like that, but in this case we want it dropping like that. That is the gangster style, very easy and fast. So make sure that you like the video, talk to me in the comment section. You can also even make your request like the others in the comment section, and see you on my other updates. To watch more of the series, click right there. So see you there. Ciao, tschüss. So that's how it looks. Just see you there.